up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be doing a huge Ulta haul, which as you guys know, my family loves Ulta, and today we went and we bought a lot of items. So before we jump right into this haul, subscribe down below if you're new and make sure you turn on those post notifications. The Ulta is doing their 21 days of beauty right now, and we decided to go in the store and take advantage of all the awesome sales that are going on right now. So today is the 9th. Today they were running a deal on the all-nighter powder and something else. I don't really remember what, but originally we went in there just to get one of the all-nighter powder, and that is for Mom because that is the only powder that she wears. So we originally just went in there for that, and Mom was like, is there anything that you girls need? And I was like, oh, I just need some powder. Well, an hour and a half, 2 hours later, we came out with a bag full. Let's dig right into this bag and get started with this huge haul. So the first 3 things we got are all duplicates of each other. We got 3 of the Urban Decay All-Nighter Powder. So this powder my mom claims is amazing. I honestly do not think I have personally used this. I think my mom might have used it one time on me, and I don't really remember how it works, but I am super excited to try this powder out. And then while we were in there, Mom decided that she wanted to get some more foundation because as the fall is approaching, as you guys know, most of the time you have to either mix foundations so they'll match or be lighter in the winter, or you just buy all new foundation. But recently she just bought a foundation for her summer skin, but now that the fall is approaching, she needs to kind of tone it down a little bit. So she decided to get her another foundation. She went with the Urban Decay All-Nighter Foundation. I have used this foundation before, but I really wasn't a fan of it. It's a really good covering foundation. Like, it's thick and it covers amazingly, but I think maybe it was just the color wasn't the right color for me and I just wasn't feeling it, so I ended up taking mine back a long time ago. But this is the kind that she decided to get, and since we were buying foundation, Mom went ahead and bought Briley some as well, so she got some of the all-nighter foundation as well. And so since Mom was being generous, she was like, Kayla, go ahead and buy you some foundation too. So that's what I did. I decided to not go with the trend and get the all-nighter foundation. I decided to go with the Naked Skin by Urban Decay. This is the Naked Skin One and Done, and this is a hybrid complexion perfector. This is my all-time favorite foundation. It's more of like a sheer foundation, like literally it just kind of makes everything more even, and I absolutely love this. There's a ton of benefits to this. Originally I was not gonna go with the Urban Decay because I wanted to try out something new. In the brochure they said that they were running a Tarte special on the Shape Tape, and I've never used a Shape Tape before. Mom and Briley have, and they said it just did not work for their skin type. I was curious as to how it worked for mine. I tried it on in the store, like with the tester, and I absolutely loved the way it looked. So I actually picked up all of my Tarte products that I needed. I got the foundation, the powder, and the primer, and it was all supposed to be like $50 for all of that because you actually got the Shape Tape foundation for free. So I'm thinking, oh my gosh, it's a better deal just to get all of that for that. So we got up to the front and it ended up being a sample size that was this big, not the normal size Shape Tape. So I had to rethink my entire game plan, and I decided just to very quickly pick up the Urban Decay that I know works, and that is why I'm using Urban Decay. I usually do use Urban Decay, but I wanted to try something new, so I guess if they ever run a better deal on the Tarte, maybe I will try it then, but for now I'm gonna stick with the Urban Decay. Now back to the haul. Let me tell you, Ulta was running amazing deals because another one of the deals with Urban Decay was they were running a buy 2 get 1 free. So out of those products we decided to go with these 3 right here. We got some of the Optical Illusion face primer, and then one of the Urban Decay De-Slick Oil Control setting spray. The setting spray is actually for Briley, and then I got one of the Optical Illusion face primers, and Briley did as well. And the last few items in this bag were all free gifts. The cool thing was if you spent $40 with an Urban Decay purchase, you actually got a 3-piece gift set. So we actually ended up ringing up all of this separately into 3 separate transactions, so each one of us could get a gift set. So I'll just go through and show you what was included in each of the gift sets. So the first thing we got was one of the Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation testers, and this is basically just a book and inside it has all of the different shades that you can choose from their new foundation line. So this is what the packaging looks like for that one. I love it. It kind of looks like a glass bottle, so I really like that look. And then something else we got, which is super cool. We got the travel size all-nighter long lasting setting spray. So we are all super excited to try this. And then we also got one of these Urban Decay Subversion Volumizing Lash Primer. So as you guys know, I've said before that I can't really tell if lash primer does anything. I love Urban Decay, so I'm kind of excited to try this. I've tried another one that was from Ulta, and I absolutely love the way that one makes your eyelashes look. So with it being Urban Decay, I'm pretty sure it's going to be amazing. I cannot wait to try this out. So here are all of the free products that we got today. I definitely think it's awesome that you get so much free stuff, especially with a $40 purchase, which isn't really bad considering that like one foundation is $40. So automatically if you go into Ulta and you spend $40 on a foundation, you're gonna get some free goodies. But I am so excited to try out all of these products. If you guys would like to see me do a makeup tutorial using all of this Urban Decay stuff that we bought, comment down below and let me know, because as you guys know, I love doing makeup. I'm really excited to have some new foundation and powder and everything. I'm just excited to see how it all looks together. So if you guys enjoyed this haul, give it a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and subscribe. Sorry this video was kind of short. I don't even know how long this video is going to be. But anyways, I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.